Hello guys, this is the Kelvin Chen from AlunoTec. Today I would like to share you with an amazing product is our ceiling fans over here. So this is the product which now is very good option to offer the area, especially in summertime. Wow, it's quite hot, so we can just use a remote to control the ceiling fan to open and to turn on the ceiling fan to cooling the outdoor area, like the pergola here below, and we could enjoy with the party time with your friends, with your family under a sofa set. And this is the cooling, the product cooling system to release the hot under the pergola. Yeah. And if you'd like to know more information about the fan, you could text us. We will have a complete ceiling fan brochure to show to you to decide which one you'd like to have to join the pergola together. Okay, thank you so much. This is Kelvin Chen from AlunoTec. See you next time. Bye.